Okay, children, today we'll discuss finding cubes by repeated subtraction method. Finding cube roots. Finding cube roots by repeated subtraction. Even the square roots, I told you, children, that continuously odd numbers we have to subtract. I told you, children, if you remember. So in the same way, children, now what we will do is in the continuous subtraction, we will subtract following numbers, children. Then it will be there, children. You'll be getting into the process, children. First one, find the cube root of 216. Okay, children. So finding the cube root of 216. This is the procedure, children. So how do you find out the cube root of 216, children? There is a specific pattern, children. What is the pattern? Is first I will teach you the pattern, children. Then you will do. See, children. 1 cube is how much, children? 1. 2 cube is how much, children?
8.
2 cube is 8. 8 means 1 plus 7. Try to understand, children. 3 cube is how much, children?
So 27.
27. That is 1 plus 7 plus 19. Am I correct, children? 4 cube is how much, children? 64. How much is that? 1 plus 7 plus 19 plus 37. 5 cube is how much, children?
So 125.
125. 1 plus 7 plus 19 plus 37 plus 61. 6 cube is how much, children? 216. 1 plus 7 plus 19 plus 37 plus 61 plus 91 and so on for other things, children. So continuously, if you subtract 1, 7, 19, 37, 61, 91, you can find out the square cube root, children. How I will show you. Now our aim is to find out the cube root of 216. Please check, children. First, 216 minus 1. How much, children?
215.
Very good. 215. Next, 215 minus 7. How much, children? 208. Next, 208 minus 19. How much, children? 189. From 189, subtract 37, children. How much?
152.
152. From that, subtract 61, children. How much? 91. From that, subtract 91, children. How much?
So 0.
0. So, children, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have subtracted 6 times. So, cube root of 216 is 6. This is repeated subtraction.
Sir, why only 6 till 6 cubes, sir?
No. If you want 7 cube also, I will tell you. I'm just teaching you. That's all. This is the procedure you are getting. I told you. That's all. 1 plus 7 plus 19 plus 37 plus 61 plus 91 plus how much next? How much? 6, 7, 127. This is 127. Next, like that, children. That's all I'm telling you. You have to why you may get down. No, why 1, 7, 19 I'm taking, you will get down. No, to show that I have shown you. So, children, no, sir, we are getting confusion with big numbers. We'll go for a little bit smaller numbers, children, so that you will understand clearly. Let us find cube root of 64, children. Can you help me? Cube root of 64, children. First one.
64 minus 1. 63.
Very good. 63. After 63 minus
7.
how much, children?
So 55.
Minus 19.
36.
Is it 36, children? Yeah, 36. Next, 36 minus
36 minus 37.
why 37 is cube root of 64. Yeah, 163. 63
So
minus 7.
56.
Sorry, 56. This is coming 37. Okay, 37 minus 37 is 0. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 is the answer. Did you understand, children? Okay, cube root of 125. Shall we work out cube root of 125? Anyone wants to do it?
Yes.
125 minus 1.
124.
124 minus 7.
116.
117 minus 19.
That's 98.
98. 98 minus 37. Yes, children, how much?
61.
61.
61. 61 minus 61.
So 0.
0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 4. 1, 2, 3. Sorry. Yeah. 4, 5. So cube root of 125 is 5. So children, when you are performing a repeated subtraction in finding the cube roots, you are following a specific pattern, children. Whereas in square roots, if you remember, directly we have taken odd numbers, children. Directly we have taken odd numbers, but here we should not take odd numbers. We have to do with the specific procedure. Right? Last one, some with which cube root of 125, 64, 4, 5, 6 over 7. What is 7 cube, children? 340.
343.
Let's do 343, children. 343 minus 1.
342.
342 minus 7.
335.
Minus 19.
So 316.
Minus 37.
It's 279.
Minus 61.
118.
8. Minus 91.
Sorry.
Are we doing correct?
Sir, then 218, not 118.
Huh?
Sir,
218 minus 91 is 137. 127. 127 minus 137.
0.
So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7. So children, if you are following a particular pattern in finding the cube roots, you will get as a particular pattern. Why are you following this pattern? You should know why you are following. I have shown you here, children. So like that, if I may ask any of the small numbers below 10 cube in the exam, children, you should be in a position to do. So for what I say is that you 8 cube, 9 cube, 10 cube, you practice at home, children, and also find all the cubes. Like 8 cube is 512. Children, find the cube root of 512. Find the cube root of 729, and find the cube root of 1000. Just for practice, children, so that you will understand perfectly. Is that okay, children?
Yes.
You have to practice this, children. 8 cube, 9 cube, 10 cube in the sequence you write and find the cubes of this, then you'll get idea what is continuous subtraction finding cubes.